Today's video, I'm going to show you how to save yourself about 5 to 6 hours in your design workflow, speeding up your wireframes and design iterations from the start using Relume. Today, I'm going to design a SaaS landing page for an AI note-taking app. So this is the process. So let's get started by going to relume.io. So I'm going to be creating a website for an AI note-taking app. So I've just told it that, and I'll give it a little detail that it transcribes conversations and meetings, summarizes key points, and it's great for remote teams. And then I said we need a simple SaaS landing page. So you can see what this prompt is going to generate here. It's going to create a sitemap, a wireframe, and we'll be able to edit the style guide as well. So generate. So by default, it's set to generate 2 to 5 pages. So I'm just going to swap that to 1 for this video, and we'll regenerate that. You can see here under the sitemap tab, Relume is going to generate us a nice vertically stacked sitemap where we can easily drag and move around these if we want and edit them from here. We can even add our own sections if we think we need one more thing highlighted on our landing page. For now, we'll leave this alone and we'll swap over to the wireframe tab, and you'll see the real magic happen as it generates all of our content with the Relume library, and it automatically takes all of our copy text and generates that as well. So now we have a really good starting point to actually work from. If I don't like any of these sections, I can always select them, and I can go over here into the component and swap it out for something more along what I was wanting. So I kind of want a vertical section with a centered image, something like this one right here, header 136. So that's more what I'm thinking. So I'll just go through and modify these sections, maybe remove some until I have a finalized sitemap and wireframe that I like for this website. And you can just see how I'm going through and swapping out these components. It would take me so much time in Figma to create all these mockups and test these and do iteration after iteration, whereas I can simply just hover over one of these layouts, see if it works for the flow of the site, and select it and move on. So after some quick changes, here's what we've got so far. We've got a hero section, nice vertical section, displaying some kind of image. This is probably going to be the dashboard for the product or the app. And then we have the trusted section. So this is going to be who uses this. And then we have some of the core features that are going to be displayed in this nice little card layout. We've got the pricing, call to action, and then a simple footer. So in a matter of about 5 minutes, we've got a really solid wireframe to work with. I love how Relume feels like an actual design canvas. It fits into my workflow really nicely because of that. And I can also check things like the tablet and mobile to make sure everything is looking good. When I'm ready, let's go ahead and move on to style guide. And here we can start iterating on branding if we don't already have that established, which I don't for this project. So we can figure out what looks good before we even hop into Figma. First, let's swap this over to a dark theme because I definitely want it to be a dark themed layout. And I'm going to go over here and select black as our main color. Let's also do that for the navigation. And then for this section, let's do that as well. And then for our primary, I don't want it just to be the typical UI blue. I want to actually mix it up a little bit. Thinking some kind of reddish pink color would look nice. Something nice and bright. Then for these other colors, I'm just going to delete them. Because we have our primary set, we can go in and test out how things would look in kind of a off color of that. So like this pink for this trusted, I am going to keep this in black, but we can go through and see if we want to change any of this around. Maybe the call to action would be in pink or something. I do want it to be a little darker, so I'm going to click the plus, and yeah, let's actually just go with maybe a shade darker than our primary color, just so it has a little bit of visual contrast between them. And now let's move on to the type, and I really don't have anything that I know I want at the moment, so we can always shuffle this around and see what we come up with. You know, we might actually just go with Sora. I kind of like some of the characters in that and how it's styled. For the buttons and forms, we'll leave those alone. The cards and images, let's see if we can get a different style going. I like more of the color contrast here with no outline or no border, so I'm gonna go with the flat layout. So now that we've got this, we can pitch the concept if we're working with the client, or we can move on to either Figma, Webflow, React, or even HTML code. I'm gonna be moving on to Figma to finish off this design, so I'm gonna select that, and I'll hit export. To import this into Figma, all we need is the Relume Figma kit, which I already have open. Right here. Then we can go to plugins, select Relume. I've selected my project, and then I'm going to import the design. I'm going to select my style guide and start the import process. All right, so we've got our desktop and mobile view, and we're going to banish that one. As always, I've put it in another page. And from here, I am ready to do my favorite thing, which is design and just be creative. I don't have to worry about staring at a blank canvas. I have the site structure taken care of, all of my different sections. I've got some copy content in here to work with, and I can just do the fun stuff. So let's do it. And here you can see the final design. We're left with the AI note-taking app, which I called Noteflow. I think in total, Relume probably saved me around 5 to 6 hours of wireframing and planning and iterating in the beginning, and I could just focus on my design work. So thanks to Relume for sponsoring today's video. If you want to check out Relume, there is a link at the top of the description. As always, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.